Top 5 Reasons to Buy Hyundai Tucson 2022. The all-new 2022 Hyundai Tucson is packed with bunch of fresh green credentials to boast about. Hyundai has taken to kit out the new Tucson models with greener and more sustainable engine options, from mild hybrid plug-in options to full hybrid. 1 second, before we start the video, kindly subscribe to this channel. That will motivate us to make more videos like this. Your support is very important for us. Only you can help us to reach the next milestone. Now, let's get started. The vast and greener powertrain options are not the only thing that Hyundai's latest Tucson has to boast about. The new model also offers some premium interior features as well as a lot of space so that the driver and all passengers can feel relaxed and comfortable for any drive. Reason number 1. Hyundai Tucson is fully hybrid. Although the 2022 Hyundai Tucson is available with a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine as well as a TGD 180/48-volt MHEV option, the best engine option available has to be the 1.6 TGD 230 hybrid. While drivers can enjoy the petrol power for longer journeys, the electric motor is more than capable enough of taking its driver on shorter, leisurely journeys. The full hybrid Tucson can offer some great performance figures, including 227 horsepower and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 6.8 seconds. Although this doesn't make the 2022 Tucson the quickest family SUV on the market, it is certainly a lot faster than the model with the standard petrol engine, which can offer a time of 10.3 seconds. These figures allow the new 2022 Hyundai Tucson to beat the likes of its close competitors, the Kia Sportage and the Ford Kuga. Should a driver want to enjoy more mileage on their electric motor over an immense performance, then the range-topping 1.6 TGDI plug-in hybrid model can offer 38 miles of electricity on its own. Reason number 2. The 2022 Hyundai Tucson comes with smaller wheels. They are actually better. The 2022 Hyundai Tucson does come with the option of 19-inch wheels. However, they do not enhance the SUV in any way. Instead, they can make tough terrains quite bumpy to drive across. The driver wouldn't feel completely comfortable nor still when driving over rocky surfaces. Yet, the smaller wheel option, the 17-inch, is much more capable of taking on tough abrasions and rocky terrain. They will make the driver feel a lot more relaxed and in control no matter what surface they are driving across. Reason number 3. A fully electric driver's seat. Should a customer opt for the top-of-the-range 2022 Hyundai Tucson, then they can enjoy something pretty fancy inside. The top trims come with a fully electric driver's seat, which moves at the click of a button. Hence, drivers won't have to find it a nuisance to reposition their seats after getting in and out. Plus, this seat is fully memory foam. So, when a driver climbs back in after a long day's work, they can feel fully rested and utterly comfortable. For extra comfort, the seat also offers a well-placed armrest so that the driver can attain even more relaxation when they are driving around. Reason number 4. The 2022 Hyundai Tucson receives a great satellite navigation system. Unlike other cars that offer teeny-tiny satellite navigation screens, the latest Tucson model boasts an infotainment system with a 10.3-inch touchscreen. The screen is large enough that anyone will be able to see the directions and the map without needing to reach for a pair of glasses. Plus, the smart graphics allow the screen to be as crisp as the best flat screens around. As well as being large enough for anyone to see, the Sat-NAV is also very easy to navigate and use. The responsiveness of the controls is fast so that any driver won't feel too distracted when using it mid-drive. The navigation system can flick from maps to the likes of music playlists and more thanks to Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone mirroring, which come as standard. Premium trims of the Tucson come with extra infotainment features, which include wireless phone charging and an 8-speaker Krell Premium sound system. Reason number 5. Hyundai Tucson 2022 is spacious. One of the things that a family would look for in an SUV is plenty of space, which the 2022 Hyundai Tucson isn't shy of. From front space to cargo space, it has it all. It doesn't matter if the tall kids or adults want to sit in the back or the front, as both can cater to those with long legs. There is plenty of space for the feet as well as the head, even for those that sit at around 6 feet tall. The Tucson seats do not slide back and forth as many would hope for. But, they do easily recline so that passengers can take a comfortable nap. Plus, for extra space and convenience, the back seats fold down in a very useful 40/20/40 split. Overall, the 2022 Hyundai Tucson looks like a family SUV that could easily cater to all. From its vast and greener engine options to its fancy and spacious interior, it has a lot to say for itself. What do you think about this? Let me know this by commenting below. I would love to see them. I can go through your comments and share my feedback. Thanks for watching this video completely. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thanks again, have a great day.